Dassahmariee here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a hair review on this hair right here. I'm loving this hair. Definitely something new for me. I love the color. Like, I just love how it fades to dark. So like the top is like this light brown color, and then the undertones are very dark. I don't even really think that this is a 1B or black. This actually, up close and personal, it looks like a dark brown. So the top is like this light brown to an ombre to the dark brown at the bottom, which I really love. The length is perfect. You guys, look at this texture. Super nice. I always have my bang. It does come already layered, which I love. I love when wigs come already layered, curled, and everything, because I don't really like customizing a lot. So when it comes already perfect, I could just throw it on, don't even have to style it, and I'm good to go just like this. Love it. So show you guys the back of it like this, and then we're gonna go ahead and look at the inside and the detailings of the wig. Here is the packaging right here. It is super nice. This hair is from YIROO Hair on Amazon. Love the pink packaging. Gonna go ahead and open it and see how the hair looks. So this comes with 2 hair caps. It is a tan one, and then it also comes with this. Ooh, I thought this was another wig cap. I think these are headbands. Let's go ahead and open this. This is actually like a head wrap or a headscarf. Look at how long this is. It's silk, so if you want to wrap your hair when you go to bed, or if you're somebody that sometimes sleeps with your wig on, you can use this little headband. I love that it goes purple to pink. Super cute. And then here's the wig. So this is how it looks with the wrapping on. So here is the wig out of the packaging. I love the color, the light brown, and then you see there's a scalp, and then the black, it's like an undertone. This is super nice. The quality is really good. I love that there's subtle waves and curls in it. The quality of the hair looks amazing. We're gonna look in the inside. So as you can see in the inside, it does have the adjustable straps. There's no combs in this particular wig, but it does, like I said, have the adjustable straps on here and here, so you can adjust it to your head side. So that's going to be it for today's hair review. If you guys enjoy it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you guys don't miss out on future uploads. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.